guys, it's Katherine Jade and I am back with another video. Today, since you guys requested it, I'm gonna share with you guys a step-by-step on how to do my famous matcha latte slash frappuccino drink. So stay tuned, watch, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So we're gonna start off with the matcha. The matcha that I am currently loving and that I discovered in Whole Foods was this matcha. It's called Mighty Leaf. So we're gonna take our matcha and we're gonna take a teaspoon of it. Actually, to be honest with you, I really like 2 teaspoons of it because I like my matcha to be really strong. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons. So that's 1 and 2. All right. And with a fork, or if you guys have a whisk, but I use a fork and it works just fine. So with a fork, you're going to go ahead and move it around just a little bit so you can break down all the little tiny balls it has. I feel like with a whisk, it might be easier. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and get some hot water. I'm gonna use my kettle, my new kettle. I'm gonna link every single thing that I use down below, so watch that. Remember, I like my matcha to be pretty strong, so I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm not gonna put a lot. Okay. Now, we're gonna go ahead and just move it a lot more. Make sure that it's blended right and that you see no little balls on it. As soon as you start seeing it bubble and it become a little creamy, that's when you know it's correct. So, I want it creamy. All right, so I think that's right. Pretty creamy, pretty bubbly. There you go. All right, so now that you have your mixed matcha with water, you're gonna go ahead and use some almond milk. The almond milk that I've currently been liking is this one right here from Whole Foods. It's unsweetened almond milk with vanilla. So I really like this one, but you guys can try any almond milk or any type of milk that you guys like. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit. But you guys can put as much as you guys like. And of course, you're gonna add ice if you wanna make it into a frappuccino. I really love the frappuccino. It reminds me of the Starbucks drink that we usually have. And now, we're gonna go ahead and add our matcha. And as a sweetener, you're gonna either add honey, agave, or you can even add sugar. Okay, so the honey that I use is local hive honey, and this honey is thebomb.com. I really like it. It's very organic and it's also good for you, so there you go. So I'm gonna add a generous amount of this as well. So 1, pretty good. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in our blender. I'm using the Magic Bullet Blender. I feel like a lot of you guys have this and it is my holy grail, so definitely a must-have. Okay, so we're gonna take it. And then, go ahead, put it in our blender. Okay, blended it, and now it's time to taste it. So, I want to try the green one. It's my favorite color. All right, so, as you can see, there you have it. It looks creamy, it's beautiful, and it probably tastes good. Johan, I'm gonna have you try it, okay, honey? So a lot of people like to add some whipped cream. You can add whipped cream, you can add any little cinnamon, whatever you guys like to top it off. In this case, I really do like it on its own. I feel like the whipped cream, since I'm a little sensitive when it comes to milk already, I stay away from that, but you guys can do it however you guys like. And yeah, there you have it, a matcha frappuccino. So actually, you want to try it, baby. I'm gonna have Johan try it. So you have to tell me if it's good. If it's not good, do not lie to them.
It's really good.
It's really good. Yay! Boyfriend approved. You see? There you go. Now let me try it. Now let's see. It is pretty good. Me gradué, me puedo casar, ¿verdad? There you go.
Some more.
And he wants more, so there you go. He's not lying. All right, guys. Well, I really hope you guys like these type of videos. I've been thinking about it, you know, maybe this will inspire me to cook more. You know, I do cook. I am learning right now. So I figured if I do a video, I love editing. I love filming videos already. So might as well just film and share with you guys my experiences. It's pretty funny, you know, imagine me doing a pasta or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.